This comprehensive lesson on the plagues of Egypt was written specifically for older students in grades 4 through 8. This 8 to 10 hour, 80-page double unit includes fun activities, colorful worksheets, and a detailed lesson plan. Each of the first 9 plagues of Egypt are taught separately, and a definite rhythm is carried through the entire lesson. It's worth noting that the 10th plague, death of the firstborn, is covered in the next lesson unit. After your class reads each plague as described in Exodus, you will share some interesting facts provided for you in the lesson, ranging from the Egyptian gods that were the target of each plague and what it communicated about the one true God, how the plague would have affected the people personally, and whether or not the Israelites were spared the effects of the plague. Then, with the help of a worksheet packet, students will color code the passage, searching for repeated phrases, meaningful actions, and noteworthy events. Finally, for each plague, you will engage your students in a related physical challenge. Items needed for these challenges are easily obtainable with very little preparation. While not every student is involved in every physical challenge, we have created an interactive worksheet where students write the plague numbers randomly on their tic-tac-toe board and then guess yep or nope whether the student undertaking the challenge will complete it or not. By the end of this lesson, your students will understand that Moses was sent by God to save the Israelite nation from slavery and bring them to the promised land. But this is a foreshadowing of a much greater salvation. Jesus was also a sent one who came to free us from our life of slavery to sin. Jesus' death and resurrection open the way to our own promised land, heaven.